Alright, if you've ever dreamed of writing a Christian novel or even a heartfelt Christian romance but felt overwhelmed by the process, today's video is going to change everything for you. Because I'm going to show you how you can write clean, faith-centered, binge-worthy Christian fiction using a breakthrough tool called HolyInk AI. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's struggled to finish a manuscript, this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. Here's the truth. Christian fiction is one of the fastest-growing genres in publishing. Readers are hungry for wholesome, faith-driven stories. They finish one book at midnight and want the next one before breakfast. But writing for this audience is tough. You need accurate history, clean romance, deep spiritual lessons, and consistency across multiple books. Most AI tools fail here. They slip in bad language, modern ideas, or inappropriate romance that ruins the story. And fixing those mistakes takes forever. That's why HolyInk AI exists. It's the only authoring software built specifically for Christian fiction. So, how does it work? HolyInk AI takes your ideas, or even generates them for you, and turns them into polished, publish-ready novels or entire series. You start with the guided wizard, which walks you through subgenre, faith depth, denomination, romance level, and story structure. Then, the Muse acts like your creative partner, remembering your characters, plot decisions, and spiritual themes. The writing room drafts chapters in a consistent voice, while the craft scanner checks continuity, pacing, and scripture accuracy. And here's the best part, you stay in control. You decide how far romance goes, how much faith content appears, and whether violence stays off the page. HolyInk AI follows your boundaries in every chapter. Now, let's talk specifically about Christian romance. This is one of the hottest subgenres in faith-based publishing. Readers love stories of love, redemption, and second chances, but they expect them to stay clean and respectful. With HolyInk AI, you can set romance boundaries. Maybe you want the story to stop at a kiss, or maybe you want a deeper emotional journey without crossing lines. The system keeps everything wholesome while still delivering the emotional intensity readers crave. Imagine writing a small-town Christian romance where two characters grow in faith as they fall in love. Or a historical romance set in Amish or biblical times. HolyInk AI helps you build these worlds authentically, with accurate period details and believable spiritual arcs. But here's where it gets even more exciting. HolyInk AI isn't just about writing one book, it's about building entire series that readers binge on Kindle Unlimited. The series map tracks characters, relationships, and plot threads across multiple books. So by the time you're writing book 3, the system still remembers what happened in book 1. That's how you create loyal readers who keep coming back. And when you're done, the publishing bay packages everything for Amazon KDP. EPUB files, print-ready versions, covers, blurbs, keywords, even category guidance. You don't just get a manuscript, you get a complete publishing package. Think about it. Christian publishing is already a $14.8 billion industry, and it's growing fast. Weekly Bible reading is up, millennials and General Z are leading the rebound, and readers are desperate for more clean, faith-centered stories. The demand is massive, the problem is supply. There simply aren't enough authors writing fast enough to feed this audience. That's where you come in. HolyInk AI lets you step into this gap and publish books that matter, books that inspire, uplift, and entertain. So if you've ever wanted to write Christian fiction or Christian romance but didn't know where to start, HolyInk AI is your answer. It takes away the stress of planning, drafting, and formatting while keeping your stories clean, accurate, and faith-focused. You don't need years of writing experience. You don't need to wrestle with generic AI tools. You just need your ideas. And HolyInk AI will help you turn them into novels readers love. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on AI publishing and Christian fiction, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of story you'd love to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.